really foggy. It does that. My camera gets foggy every time I walk outside. Here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're returning. So today I'm here in Grenada, and I'm going to be doing a room tour of me and my boyfriend's room at the Sandals Resort. Alright guys, so walking up here is our room, and it's our last day, so we have our luggage and we're about to leave. 8216. Let's go inside and take a peek. So when you first walk in here, you get to our bathroom. Hey, how's it going? So you get to the bathroom. Over here, I really like this little mirror because it has this little sticky thing on it. So you can like pull it out and pull it to your face. Like, yo, how I look today. So yeah, that's a little bit of the bathroom. There's the sink. Have nice little soapses here from the Red Lane Spa. Got a nice little toilet area. And then we have our nice, beautiful shower. The shower is absolutely amazing, y'all, when you go inside of it. There's a sunroof. It's kind of cloudy, really cloudy today, but here's what the inside looks like. Got our nice little closet, you know, everybody's gotta have a closet. Got a safe, and what's really cool about this closet is when you open the doors, the light automatically turns on. You don't even turn it on. Really dope. Hey, how's it going? Nice little mirror we got right here, a little bar split in between. This is my safe haven right here. Got our coffee maker, got our wine, got our glasses, got some chips from the island that I have not tried. And in this drawer right down here, we got a beautiful little mini fridge that gets restocked every day with new types of drinks, all from Grenada. What's really cool here is their soda's so much sweeter. Okay, over here is the dresser. Has a nice little thing, but we discovered that the picture is on a rolly frame, so you can roll it, and there's the shower in there. Got the nice beautiful bed right here. Really pretty. Some spices. It's in that picture, I guess. Nice little TV. Got some chairs over here. I believe this is cinnamon. We actually learned a lot on this trip about all their spices. And my favorite part of the room, our balcony. So you come out here, you got two nice little chairs, got a nice little tub right over here. Nice little curtains, you can draw your curtains in at night, get in your little tub. Get your drink on, get the curtains going, get in your little tub. You know how it be. Little tub, so nice, so refreshing. I love that little tub. And one night, this chair became my best friend. I was so tired sitting out here. I fell asleep on the chair and woke up at 3:30 in the morning and was like, wow, where am I? And ended up going back into the room. And then from the balcony, we have a nice little view. This is like our own private pool right here, which is really awesome. We got in it like one night, I think, but that was not the happening pool. So the one really frustrating thing about this place was that there's not plugs. There's not normal plugs. There's like 4 different kinds of plugs here. So we have on our lamps where we could charge our phones, like American plugs, USB port. And then over here, we have these plugs. So this one is completely different. I don't even know what European style plug that is. And then over here in the bathroom, we have another completely different plug. Like, I don't understand how to use those plugs. I didn't use those plugs. I was freaking out when we got here because I was like, I don't know how to do my hair. I don't know how to do anything because none of my plugs work. But it worked out. Alrighty guys, well thank you for watching my room tour. Hope to see you back soon. Like and subscribe.
I guarantee